Okay, hi guys, welcome back. And in the previous video, I did a tutorial on showing you how to put the logo on the coffee cup. Really few easy steps. So if you want to watch that video and you haven't done so, you can go and watch that. I'll put the link to that video in the description, and you can go and watch that. All right. But in this one, as I promised, I was going to show you how you can, put something on the screen there. But I might even use just another image. Because in my previous, well, that was Bing. So if you go to Bing, Bing.com, and you go to Images, okay, which is where I am now, and then you go to Create. All right, so you can create some images using AI. Okay, so I created these images. Okay, as you remember in the previous video. For this demonstration, I'm actually gonna use this graphic. Okay, so you can either download it here. Okay, this is a free AI image creator. Copy image and then go to Photopea. Okay, you might want to watch the previous video because it actually introduces you to Photopea, but this is a free software. You don't have to download. It's web-based. You don't have to create an account, and you don't have to pay for it. Okay, so then I'm going to paste that in there, or you can upload it or drag and drop it from your desktop or whatever. But so for this particular image, we've got a laptop, we've got a screen. Okay, and if I just go back here, the prompt for this was coffee cup latte. Okay, so we got that. Surroundings, cozy surroundings with laptop on the table and a beautiful view out the window in the background. All right, so that's what we've got. This is a free AI tool. Okay, as I've said, it's Microsoft. It's on Bing, and you can create images. So we've now got that into this free software called Photopea, which is similar to Photoshop, but quite a lot easier, and it's free software. So for this demonstration, I'm going to just go over to Live Good, and I'm going to just take a screenshot. Just for this demonstration, and I've taken the screenshot and it's saved it to my clipboard, but in your case you might take a screenshot and it might be on your desktop, so you can drag and drop it in here. So it's quite a big screenshot. So I'm going to shrink that down. It's actually a different size to the laptop, which is a bit of a pity. But for this demonstration, I'm just trying to do things as quickly as possible because I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. But and then we just put that on there like that. So what I'm doing is I'm holding down my Command key, but I think on a Windows you would hold down your Control key. I might be wrong about that, but I'm not on a Windows. I'm on a Mac. And then you just drag the edges. Keeping your finger on the Command key, which is on a Mac, and maybe I think it's the Control key. Now, obviously, I should have, if I had spent a bit more time on it, I would have made sure that the screenshot was a similar size to this laptop. But as you can see by my demonstration here, is that we're able to make it perspective, but it doesn't look too bad, and you get the idea. But I haven't really finished yet. So there are a few other things you can do, such as you go over here and you can use this little tool to maybe put it on a screen, because it keeps that shine there, which is not bad. But you can also change the fill. No, that doesn't work. Or you can try maybe overlay. But it's showing the background of the laptop. Make a hard light. No. Or try multiply. It's just to give the effect. I'll go with that. Can't really see it very much in detail, but I don't think you would. It just depends on the image that you've got. If you're using AI to generate an image, you might want to make sure that the laptop is more visible, and you can include that in your prompt if it's important. But the point is, it's not necessarily important to get the screen. It's just to give the general effect that you're at your laptop. It's a morning, you're enjoying coffee. I mean, it's the kind of the big picture here. So that's basically that's how you create overlays for your screens, all right, and make it sort of fit perspectively. So then you can download it and import into a Canva and create captions or whatever, or you can create captions directly in here and put your do other things in Photopea. Anyway, I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. I'll do another video about what sometimes I import these graphics into Canva, so that I find Canva a little bit easier to do text and stuff like that. Although with this you can create amazing texts because you can import your own fonts and stuff like that you can download on the internet. But Canva's just that little bit easier in some ways. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll do other videos to help you produce some nice graphics. All right, thanks. Bye for now.